Good afternoon, everyone. So I'm Alex Capurro. I'm the CEO and founder of Easy Payment Gateway, one of the most advanced payment platforms in the industry right now, offering worldwide patented technology to empower merchant needs. Now, it's becoming easier and easier every day for startups and SMBs to get worldwide exposure. Through platforms such as Shopify or Magento or WooCommerce, to name a few, you can very quickly and easily get online and get exposure to hundreds of customers all over the world. But that doesn't necessarily mean you're going to get more sales or more revenue. In fact, around 30% of your transactions are going to be declined. And that's because you're not offering the right localized payment solution or the right local credit card acquirer. See, it's no longer good enough to just offer credit cards worldwide to your customers or a well-known e-wallet. You need to offer specific payment solutions. If we look at, for example, Germany, where 90% of the people don't have credit cards. They prefer to use bank transfer solutions like a Sofort. Or in the Nordics, we have Trustly, Klarna, etc. You need to offer solutions that your customer feels safe and comfortable in using. And that's going to make a better customer journey. But the problem is that there are hundreds of solutions out there. Hundreds of solutions that come out on a weekly basis even. How are you supposed to know which ones you need to use? Because you're not payment experts. You're experts in your own business. So how can you tackle this problem? How can you optimize your payments so that you can offer the best solution to your customers? Because payment optimization means a reduction in cost, but an increase in conversion. And that does mean an increase in revenue and in sales. So the best option you can start off with is what's known as an aggregated account. Now, this is an account that is offered by many PSPs out there. They're very quick and efficient. And it gives you a direct integration point and access to many of these solutions that you need. Not just payment solutions, but also fraud prevention solutions and KYC solutions. But the problem with an aggregated account is that by definition, it's a shared account. So you're going to be sharing this account and this technology and these routing by different merchants, possibly hundreds of merchants. And that's a good thing on one side because it gives you speed to market, easy access to the industry. But at the same time, it could be a negative thing because you're limited to what the aggregated account offers you, the technology that's on offer, the route, and the logic that's behind it. It also means if the merchants that you're sharing an account with have a high risk exposure or high fraud exposure, that can be negatively reflected on your own account. And that means you could be paying more for your processing, or it could even mean that your account gets closed down, even though it's not your fault. So to begin with, this is great. But how do you proceed? Think of an aggregated account as a GPS navigator, where you enter a destination, and it gives you a simple route to process. But it doesn't allow you to preview that route in a simple way. It doesn't allow you to change the waypoints in that route, and it doesn't necessarily give you the best alternative options. But again, you're not experts in this. You don't really know what you have to do. How are you supposed to optimize your payment solutions? And this is something that we thought about at Easy Payment Gateway for a very long time. And what we've done is we have created technology that is now patented worldwide. You can see it on the screen. And this technology allows you to simply draw on the screen a flow diagram. Using drag and drop technology, you can create any type of logic or route that you want to process for your customers. You can create the customer journey that you require. We have now over 250 payment solutions worldwide, directly integrated into our platform. We offer over 30 different credit card acquirers worldwide. And we offer not one or two or three, but 6 different KYC and fraud prevention services that we give you access to. And all you have to do is drag and drop them onto the screen and connect them in whatever way or whatever route you want. So this allows you to do payment optimization. This allows you to reduce your costs and increase your conversion, and offer your customers a much better user experience, a safer customer journey. Because again, that equates to higher revenue and higher sales. You don't have to worry about integration. You don't have to worry about having a technical team with experience, because we have over 15 years experience in the industry, and we allow you to tap into that. We have over $5 billion worth of transactional data, and we allow you to tap into that. And in fact, what we're doing now is we're taking it a step further. We're actually automating the whole process. So you will be able to get an aggregated account with us and start up. And the moment you need to customize your solutions or your routing or your customer journey, the system will automatically do it for you. It will present you with all the different routes that you can take. It will allow you to edit them, and it will show you alternative paths. Again, without the need of any technical knowledge or technical integration. Because if you can offer the right payment solution to your customers, they will be back. They will be making more purchases. And not only that, but we also integrate this technology into the physical world. We are now 100% omni-channel. So you will be able to process both online and offline with our platform. And you'll be able to share customer data. So again, it's making the journey better for your customers. It's making it safer and more comfortable. And that is what you need for payment optimization. This is exactly what you need to increase your revenues and your sales and optimize the whole journey for your customer. So the future in payments is Easy Payment Gateway. This allows your payment managers, your CFOs, or your account managers to easily define what they want their business to do, what they want their customer journey to be like. So use Easy Payment Gateway. Thank you very much.